Shujaraf Gu Programme 3. Welcome to Programme 3 of Speaking Our Language. In this programme we'll be looking at how to say where you live and give your address in Gaelic. Today I'm in Edinburgh for a bit of sightseeing. Ceart maha. Right then. If you want to ask someone where they live, you say Catje Veilshiv a Furoch. Catje Veilshiv a Furoch. Hello.
Hello.
Catje Veilshiv a Furoch.
Dunedin.
Hello.
Hallo,
Catje Veilshiv a Furoch.
Dunedin.
Hello. Catje Veilshiv a Furoch.
Dunedin.
Everyone seems to come from Dunedin, Edinburgh. Dunedin.
Hello. Catching Bill Shoe Food up. Paddington. Hello. Catching Bill Shoe Food up. Glasgow.
Gamleishgal, Kashmish of Furo.
Dunedin.
Catch a Velshif a Fudoch. Catch a Velshif a Fudoch. Where do you live? Catch a Velshif a Fudoch.
That last time the interviewer said Gaf Molishka. Excuse me, Gaf Molishka. And we'll be hearing that again a little later. Look out too for the name Glasgow. Glasgow. Glasgow.
Yeah.
Gamleishgal, Kashmish of Furo.
Glasgow. Hello. Catching Bill Shoe Food up. Glasgow. Hello. Catching Bill Shoe Food up. Grangemouth.
Gamleishgal, Kashmish of Furo.
Dunedin.
Glasgow, Glasgow, and Dunedin, Edinburgh. Here are some other Gaelic names. Pest,
Persht.
Dunjay.
Dunjay.
Sneelai.
Srilai.
Kashmish of Furo.
Eli. Catch Bill Shoe Food up.
Persht.
Catch Bill Shoe Food up.
Dunjay.
Gaf Milishka. Catch Veilshiv a Furoch.
Rodmancer Glasgow.
Daphne.
Rat Windsor, Windsor Road. Listen again.
Gaf Milishka. Catch Veilshiv a Furoch.
Rodmancer Glasgow.
Daphne.
Rat, road, rat, and Sraj, street, are both common words.
Sraj a Vanke. Rat na Pathje. Rat na Schlieknich. Sraj a Frunse. Rat a Vanish.
Rod Granton.
Sraj Montague.
Gamleishgal, Kashmish of Furo.
Dunedin.
Catch of the nation.
Stride Parkside.
Apply.
Jo.
Gamalishko, catch of a furrow.
Wasco.
Catch of Wasco.
Brad Victoria.
Apply.
Tapla.
Gaff molishgal. Gaff molishgal. Excuse me. Gaff molishgal.
And the interviewer asked, Catch an yn Glasgow. Where in Glasgow? Catch an yn Glasgow. Listen again.
Catch of the nation.
Stride Parkside.
Apply. Catch of Wasco.
Brad Victoria.
Princess Street, Sraj y Frausa. Sraj y Frausa Dunedin. And the word for address is Siolwg. Siolwg. Listen to these people giving their addresses.
Nothing there.
Nothing there.
Madini Cascar.
Charlotte.
Brad Hamilton.
Ean Cainball.
Dien Shoulder Lagov.
Ean.
Stride Kelvin Grove.
Seanach na Campbell.
Shauna. You can't. Din shoulder Hakov.
Rat Berwick. Dachlov.
J and Siolwg a Hagaf. J and Siolwg a Hagaf. What's your address? J and Siolwg a Hagaf.
J and Siolwg a Hakov. Listen again.
Martin Va.
Martin va.
Seamus Cainball.
Jin Shelga Hakov.
Rod Hamilton. Ean Cainball.
Dien Shoulder Lagov.
Ean.
Stride Kelvin Grove.
Seanach na Campbell.
Shauna. You can't. Din shoulder Hakov.
Rat Berwick. Dachlov.
Dien Dinyamadov.
Dul Macaulay.
Dien Shoulder Lagov.
Trí Rad na Páirc.
Tree Rad na Park. Cleva.
3 Radna Park, 3 Park Road. Listen out for the numbers used in the following situations.
Din Hanam Hevev.
Gardner.
Agus din shoulder Hakov.
In Bradgonagin.
In Rod Gunagin.
Agus J. Seála go hacu.
Céhar Sraj Milton.
Céhéad. Straj. Milton. Léba. Tachbalúh.
Jerry and Jasper.
Jerry. Oh, den shoulder ga haku.
Gar Rottenloch.
Ga rotten loch. Okay, ma ha, Jerry.
Jerry.
Ga rot and loch. Ga rotten loch.
Ja, Rat and Loch. 2 Loch Road. In. Ja. 3. Ceher. Listen to those numbers again. Din Hannam Hedef.
Gardener.
Is the shoulder hacker.
In Radgonation.
In Radgonation. Jerry and Jasper.
Jerry. Oh, den shoulder ga haku.
Gar Rottenloch.
Ga rotten loch. Okay, ma ha, Jerry.
Jerry.
Ga rot and loch. Ga rotten loch.
Dien dyna ma hydaf.
Dul Macaulay.
Dien siolfod y hacaf.
3 Rat na Pathk.
3 rhaid na path. Clefa.
Céad Stráid Milton. Céad Stráid Milton.
Time now to visit the MacLeods in our drama Ekin Teich at home. Look out for phone numbers and the numbers Njoni, 0 or 0, Njoni, and Coig, 5, Coig.
Oh, Gav my Leshgal. MacLeod, Coid Radstrath Pollock, Glasgow. Tigger!
Jama. Gajarafa ha Polis New York and Clacted Mad ha. Coin Gaffis, Seshka, Duali Gahakan in a Faka Lassanyay.
Kerst maha, enyem.
Tigger.
Tigger. Gau Malishgal.
MacLeod. Mr. and Mrs. MacLeod.
Ta, believe. Agus, G. Shaw hack of Rad Strath Pollock.
Coog. Rad Strath Pollock.
Cook, Rat, Strath Pollock, Glasgow. Agus, G. Na your phone hack of.
Naar de phone. Ja, keer 3. Ja, keer 3. Oh, gaf me leesje. Ja.
Gaatje has three. Gaatje has three. Gaatje has three. Kihis Njoni hen. Tapperleaf.
Jury.
G an araf phone a hagaf. G an araf phone a hagaf. What's your phone number? G an araf phone a hagaf.
Tai, house. And Tai Ackham, my house. And Tai Ackham. Look out also for Arif phone number. And the question, J and Arif phone Hakif. What's your phone number?
Agus G na your phone hagav.
Naar de phone. Ja, keer 3. Ja, keer 3. Oh, gaf me leesje. Ja.
Gaatje has three. Gaatje has three. Gaatje has three. Kihis Njoni hen. Tapperleaf.
Jury.
Nakusha. Waar konstrueren jachtkunsten aan mijn
Kaartje?
Ja?
Agus tí ná de fóna hakaf?
Postri ja koik 3.
Ga, koi, 3. Kers me ha?
Tappenov.
Three, ja. Njani, kehed, un. 3, ja. Njani, kehed, un. Hello, Alistair.
How many of these numbers do you remember?
Njoni. N. Ja. 3. 3. Ceher. Ceher. Coig.
Your turn now. What numbers are being suggested?
Nioni. Een. Ga. 3. Ceher. Coig.
Well, it's time for me to be getting back to where I live, Glasgow. And in the next programme, we'll be looking at where we come from and what languages we speak. Until then, Marsin Live and Rasta. Bye for now.
In this programme, we introduced you to Catch a Welshif a Fudoch. Catch a Welshif a Fudoch. Gaff Molishgalv. Gaff Molishgalv. J and Shawlach a Hagaf. J and Shawlach a Hagaf. J and Arif phone a Hagaf. J and Arif phone a Hagaf. Nioni. Nioni. Earn. Earn. Ga. Ga. 3. 3. Ceher. Ceher. Coig. Coig.